house. Get crunk, get crunk, get crunk.
Ladies,
bounce with me, bounce with me.
fellas,
Get crunk, get crunk, get crunk.
now ladies,
Bounce with me, bounce with me.
fellas,
Get crunk, get crunk, get crunk.
now ladies,
Bounce with me, bounce with me.
fellas,
Get crunk, get crunk, get crunk.
now ladies. Timberland never walk in the place he can't walk out of. Getting rude in the place with a gun in my waist, just might pop out. With a straight arm, bullet stomp through your fat palm to the animal jump out of. No justifications, why my song question like that. Jigga what? I'm the cause that the thugs gon' fight and the club so tight, y'all ain't wide up. Sometimes I fall, on cars, I just come right up. With the drop top and the top drop and your mouth drops like, what the f? Only deal with conjunction chicks when I look at their hit, they give me bud. Now who the man? Say to me.
Now off top, from the candy store to the coffee shop, candy store to your girl next door, to your boy next door, to the ones at the club, to the people on the floor, the ones at the club and the ones on the floor. Hit it one more time, now say off top, from the candy store to the coffee shop, candy store, the coffee shop, to your girl next door, to your boy next door, next door, to the people at the club, to the ones on the floor.
Get a cup in your horse, got a butt the size of an elbow. Don't scream when it hurt, I'm a fucking machine. Fiend for cash, fiend for hash, ginseng, make it last. Put shorty in the buck, not giving a pressure look, ready to buck. I'm a band, but for them when it comes to the shows. Fucking your door, don't hate nag, hate the flows. Two in the clip, ready to flip. I'm a band, but for them and I'm ready to trip. Y'all scared, cause y'all ready to dip. With your the slip, then a fool like me come out with a thing in the hip. Get back and you ride like you're up on your driver's side. Go seat looking better, be ready to hide. One of your legs, two on your side.
Now off top, from the candy store to the coffee shop, candy store to your girl next door, to your boy next door, to the ones at the club, to the people on the floor, the ones at the club and the ones on the floor. Hit it one more time, now say off top, from the candy store to the coffee shop, candy store, the coffee shop, to your girl next door, to your boy next door, to the people at the club, to the ones on the floor,
Sebastian never played these, fair trade these. With brain when I spit, they give me brain in the whip. Never hit, just borrow the chick. Give her diamond so big she can't ball up a fist. With designer so big, shirt scrap at the wrist. That's just some of the shit that my dough can get.
Whoa! Boy, that's that shit.
That I be dipping and popping and topping these and blocking these is loving the dough. My youngins loving the flow. South back on the road. Ladies, get back on the flow. Fellas, keep throwing them bows. This how our party should go.
Now off top, from the candy store to the coffee shop, candy store to your girl next door, to your boy next door, to the ones at the club, to the people on the floor, the ones at the club and the ones on the floor. Hit it one more time, now say off top, from the candy store to the coffee shop, candy store, the coffee shop, to your girl next door, to your boy next door, to the people at the club, to the ones on the floor. Off top, from the candy store to the coffee shop, the candy store, to your girl next door, to your boy next door, to the ones at the club, to the people on the floor, the ones at the club and the ones on the floor. Hit it one more time, now say off top, from the candy store to the coffee shop, the candy store, the coffee shop, to your girl next door, to your boy next door, to the people at the club, to the ones on the floor, the ones on the floor.
The remix.
We creeping in too, baby. We got 5 on everything, man.
We got Drew Brown. We got the Looney.
Shock G.
Now let's go to Yuck, man.
Yeah, Richie Rich. Eat folded.
Spikes and Hurricane.
You say you got 5 on my tender, you can bend her over the table, but be sure that you bring my stallion back to my stable. Say, bruh, no elementary school ground playing, not a $5 bill, but 500 on the real field. I'm on the level, stay mellow, no criticism from the fellows. Hello, being key during the high speed, but still don't tap the BB. I'm DD, Drew Brown, baby.
Like NyQuil, I drop fever. So either put your 5 up, or you got to leave it like Beaver. Cause see ya, nigga perfect broke or smoke your slip all day. Go home and buy big drinky with his pretty then parlay. I got 5 on the Hennessy, Seagrams or Gordons. Cause this is how we do it like Montel Jordan. I'm from the Oakland City. Frank Nitty is a donut. I'm blowing it up like Oklahoma.
Put your feet with my fin, best believe we'll bend. More corners than you thought, to something right is bought. Most Czaks, believe that. Token, where you from? Oakland, smoking in attempts to crack the chest plate. The zips be so fluffy, the whole town love me. At every event, I'm sacked up, so if you need me, scream double R when you see me.
Your trick makes so bad. 40 makes it happen. 5K slacking, revenue growth, and just a little bit of lightweight flambeaus and potent fumes linger. Mighty clouds and northern lights. Disrespect the victor bearing, and you'll be violating my civil rights. I'm starting to feel my skrilla, but perhaps today my skrill ain't feeling me. For the simple fact that I'm off to the track with hella fools be. Pockets empty, pitching 5, man, I'm thirsty. Took off my hat, passed it around.
Me and these 40 to the head coming fed plus. Yuck, let the lead bust. Ready to do a murder, man. Purged off the hurricanes, learn the game. Witness what being off 2 fists equal. Me killing people like Jason facing death every sequel. Insane in that membrane. Bring the pain like method, neglected. Smoking kryptonite to the brain for breakfast. Guzzle the Hindu, fence to do the evil that men do. Give me feed, I shall proceed and continue.
I hollered from the town, mess around and heard y'all get numb. Said I gotta be down, cause new styles is going down. Look around you, tunes from the loon spreading round and round you. Back to get my O on, they let me flow on. The 35 on it, yeah, I'm on it. Still bringing satin for them draws. Velvet for the mic and got a pound for the cause.
Rolling up cannabis sativa, hitting a Mary Jane. Smoking a 5 before it's 12 o'clock, sipping on Hurricane. Ready to smoke on the endo, rolling up my window. Finna go to the land with a handful of broccoli. When it comes to the sticky, I'm the man. Crunch nasty, I be hitting the J so hard I earl. Falling on the floor, finna have a stroke. THC ain't no joke. I got 5 on everything, let's get loaded and smoke. SPICE about to hit it and crow.
What's up, baby? It's me, your boy with the cape that's always tight. You a little short on some ends? Don't worry, I take care of that. I got 5 on that. I got you.